We all know when you start you want to master that perfect posing, the parents posing, the sibling shot, but also you need to master the wrapping. In my workshop I will show you how we wrap, how we securely pose baby in parents' hands. Close your eyes, it's like you're looking down to your hand, but closer to as well how to safely handle the baby and get the right light on the baby's face. I will show you all the little details and I will make sure that you'll have enough time to get that perfect shot for your portfolio. I'm Victoria Burcusel, the owner of Lifetime Story Photography and one of the educators in Belly Baby Wear, Australia. On the 22nd of February, I invite you here in my Brisbane studio for a newborn workshop. I can't wait to see you and I can't wait to share my knowledge and my work. See you there.